Yo guys, what up? Jay here, pinkjaytv. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Jay, pinkjaytv. What up guys? Alright, so guys, again, today is Sunday at ang gagawin natin is we're going to do a bike review dito sa bike na to, which is a Santacruz Nomad CC 2019 new model. Frame size is small. Makikita nyo dito sa part na yan. Ayan, yan yung model. Yung size andito sa side na to, ayan o. Yan yung size. Ayan yung Santacruz. Yung orange yung color niya. Ito yung model number. Bronson CC, top of the line ng, hindi pala Bronson. It's Nomad CC, top of the line ng Santacruz na series ng Nomad. So, again, makikita nyo napaganda yung bike. Unahin natin. Ito hindi siya stock bike kasi it's a custom build na bike. So, unahin natin yung pinakamagandang parts na nandito sa bike na to. Ito yung group set. So makikita nyo dito guys, it's running on SRAM XX1 Gold. Yan. Yan, diba? Makikita nyo. Yan. Yan. Ang cassette niya is, yung group set niya is running on XX1 Gold na 1150 teeth gold. Golden chain, gold na rin yung RD. Gold and black. And then you have the crankset na 170 dito. Yan, ito yung crankset niya, XX1 din, carbon, and then chainring niya is 32 teeth by 50 teeth dito sa part na yan. So, ayan yung group set, full XX1 group set, 1150 teeth, frame size is small, and then ang color niya is orange. Santacruz Nomad CC 2019 na ang, nakita mo yan, BPP, virtual pivot something. So, pakita ko na lang kung ano ibig sabihin yan. Pero, napakaganda, napagaan. Ang weight nito is 13 point something if I'm not mistaken. So, yun yung unang parts na napakaganda. Yung pinakamaganda dito sa bike na to. Kaya yun yung inuna. Alright, so yung pangalawang parts na kailangan natin i-discuss or I'm going to show you is that this wheel set. Makikita nyo yan. Hindi siya common masyado. Makikita nyo is a square root. Pag magaling ka sa math, you can understand square root. Again, this is a full carbon. Yan. Yan, square root. Yan. If I'm not mistaken, ang engagement point na is 84. Tapos yung wheel set niya itself, yung hub, yung rim is a full carbon wheel set na ang brand niya is square root. Yan. Square root carbon. Ayan, pwede mong pitik-pitikin yan. Tapos yung hub niya, yan. Kikita nyo. Tapos ang tire niya guys, ito pareho yung harap tsaka sa likod. Dito sa part na to, ayan, makikita niyo square root din yan dito sa harap. Yan, square root din yan. And then yung rim niya, square root din. Yan. Pareho yan, yung harap tsaka likod, it's running on square root wheel set na carbon na wheel set. Even the hub is carbon. So, napagaan ng bike, it's 13 point something yung kilo. Kumpara mo sa ibang bike na full suspension, mostly pag mga full suspension bike, ang kg that's minimum is 14 kg up to 15 point something. Ito kasi full carbon, mostly carbonrim parts at small size, kaya medyo magaan kumpara mo sa ibang full suspension. My bike is weighing 14 something and this is 13 something, so ang laki ng difference. Maganda kasi mas magaan, mas magandang ipa-jack, and then I think umaambon na. Umaambon na. So anyway guys, quick review lang dito sa bike na to. Napakita ko na yung wheel set, napakita ko na yung group set, and then ang susunod natin na i-discuss is the cockpit. Yeah, so we have the cockpit here. Again, it's enve handlebar. Kita nyo ba yan? Pangmayaman. 35mm. Ang haba na ito 800. Ang haba na ito is 800mm. Haba na ito this part. Tapos yung clamp size na is 35mm dito sa part na to. Enve carbon, and you have the enve 35mm na stem. 35mm yung rise, 35mm din yung clamp size para mag-match dito sa carbon na enve. Authentic. So anyway guys, so yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, the cockpit is enve stem and handlebar, and then we have the burgtec na orange. Dapat yung grip niya dapat orange din para mag-match dito sa frame niya na orange color. So yun yung cockpit, napakaganda. And you have the carbon, you have the stem na short stem para mas. So that's the cockpit. We have the enve, we have enve handlebar, we have the enve stem, and then we have the burgtec orange na grip na napaka soft. Yan o, mas malambot pa sa legs ng X-Men. Alright, so yun yung cockpit. And then the next one will be the brakes. The brake set is TRP G-spec DH. Tapos 4 parts na siya para sa harap at sa likod. At the same time yung rotor niya is also TRP. Also TRP para sa harap sa likod, running on 180mm. Good morning, good afternoon guys. 180mm para sa harap at sa likod. TRP yung rotors from sa front at sa back side nung bike na to. The next item or the next part na i-discuss ko is this one. Kita nyo, ito, haba, di ba? Yan, enduro. So, ito hindi pa siya napapalitan kasi ang plano is papalitan to ng Kashima coat na suspension, and then Kashima coated. Hello, good afternoon. You okay? Yeah. Alright, so again, going back guys, so mayroon tayong nakausap na magandang dalaga, ewan ko may asawa ata. But anyway guys, proceed tayo with the suspension. Front suspension, we have the rockshox Lyric yan, ayan o, Lyric Ultimate. Yan, ang travel nito is 170mm, black lang siya, pero eventually papalitan to soon enough ng Kashima coated na Fox 36 or 38. So ganun ka-addict yung may-ari. So yan yung may-ari, naghahawak ng camera. So yun yung suspension niya para sa harap, and you are it's running on a boost. It's boost na suspension, which is 110 by 15mm. Ito, boost. Yan, makikita niyo dito sa part na yun, may nakalagay dyan, boost. Alright, so that's. Hey, good up.
You alright?
Yep. Yeah. So again, kita nyo naman, pinakita ko na lahat.
Hi.
The rest. Yeah, like the bike?
Something wrong.
No, just doing a video.
Alright.
Say hi. Hi.
Kids.
Alright. Take care. Ride safe. Alright. So let's going back to the bike. May mga kasi mga artista kami. Alam mo yun? Joke lang. So anyway, balik tayo kasi dumating si Mario Osawa, nakalimutan ko, nag-video pala ako. So pinakita ko na agad, again, yung suspension, front suspension, which is rockshox Lyric na 170mm yung travel. Medyo hindi siya maganda kasi nga itim lang. Dapat gold yan eh. So sa susunod, papakita ko yung ipapalit namin na Fox 36 or 38 na Kashima coated na suspension para sa harap. So that's the front suspension. And then as for the rear suspension, we have the rockshox coil. Alam niyo kung bakit coil? Just to give you an idea or just to give you an info, the stock suspension nito is air suspension, although it's rockshox also. Pero yung dating may-ari, yung binilhan namin, medyo hardcore ata. And pinalitan niya ng coil. I don't know. So, nakikita niyo ito, coil na suspension. Ang haba na ito, hindi ko alam yung specs na ito. Pero rockshox to na deluxe. Super deluxe ata. Rockshox rear suspension, naka-coil na siya. And then sa harap, rockshox din siya na lyric. 170mm yung travel ng suspension sa harap. So, the last part will be the dropper. The brand is Bikeyoke. Hindi siya masyadong familiar. Only the rich and famous ano man yung nakakaalam yan. 130mm yung travel. And then kulay black. But papalitan na naman to ng Kashima coated na dropper post sa susunod. Ganun siya ka-addict. Yan yung dropper post. All black siya. Pero papalitan to ng
Namuntik na kanina.
muntikan na namin mapalitan kanina ng fax transfer. Kashima coated. The problem is the seat post is different size. Instead of this one is using the 30.9 na seat post, but he bought the 31.6 which is a little bit bigger, so hindi pumasok. So eventually papalitan na ulit siya ng 30.9 fax transfer Kashima coated 150 travel nung dropper. So I think that's everything na. And the last one, yung pinakamaliliit na, and you have the burgtec pedal, and then you have the MRP na chain guide, and then you have the MRP also na bash guard. Carbon yan. Ayan o, kahit pitik-pitikin mo yan. Ayan o, sabi nila hindi pwedeng pitik-pitikin ng carbon. Ayan o, pwede yung pitik-pitikin yan guys o. Nomadcc yan. So yung configuration ng gulong is you have the DHF sa harap, and then you have the DHR2 para sa likod, para sa grip. Kasi mountain bike, so dapat grippy yung tire mo. Maxxis yung DHR2 configuration 27.5 by 2.4 wild tire. Same thing with this one, 2.5 wild tire na Maxxis DHF. So yan yung mostly tubeless ready na to. And then yun lang, nabanggit ko na lahat, maambon na. So nabanggit ko na lahat yung mga parts na nakalagay dito sa mountain bike na to. It's a full suspension Santacruz Nomad CC, full carbon, nagmamay-ari, addict ng issue sa trailbudz C Sir Leo. Alright guys, so that would be all again. This is pinkjaytv. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos na ilalabas ni Pinkjay. That would be all again. Pinkjaytv. Mabuhay tayong lahat as it works.